Hey guys, I just wanted to show you how you can make your own shortcuts for common symbols that you use. Now I know some of these symbols are in an equation editor if you do an add-on. My district really doesn't let me do any extensions. And sometimes I just have them in the middle of a sentence and I don't really want an equation. So I know you can go insert and special character, and these are my recent ones that I've used. But sometimes that's kind of annoying. So personally, I would love it if when I do the greater than and equal to sign, it actually makes that greater than or equal to sign. And so to do something like that, first copy whichever symbol you're going to be using, go to your tools, preferences, and over to substitutions. Now there's a lot of substitutions that are already built in, like the copyright symbol, for example, and there's some arrows and stuff like that. This one I actually did the division symbol myself, but so what I want replaced is if I do the greater than and equal to sign, which are both on my keyboard, I want that to replace the symbols. That's why I copy it so I can paste that in. And now whenever I type the greater than or equal to sign, it will replace that over here. And so let's see how that works. If I do the greater than and equal to and then space, it made it for me. Super easy. And so you can do that with the less than and equal to as well. Copy it and go to preferences, substitutions. I know I'm going to replace with that, and the less than and equal to sign. Hit OK. Now that that's set up, when I type in less than or equal to and then space, ta-da, it makes it. And so you can really make whatever shortcut you want. Those are just the ones that, in my mind, that makes sense to type that symbol in. Now for degree, there's not really something on my keyboard that reminds me of that. And so I would just do like the LaTeX substitution, the slash degree, and hit OK, because in my head that's so faster than going in and inserting it. So if I go slash degree, degree, and for some reason that one works half the time. And I could do that same thing with the congruent symbol, copy it, tools, preferences, substitutions. To me, the equal sign with the tilde makes the most sense. But you could again put whatever you want for your shortcut. Oops, don't know why. Oh, that's because I used the wrong slash. I gotta switch that in my substitution. That would be why, because I pushed the other one when I did the substitution. So now the equals with the congruent, ta-da, congruent symbol. One that I use a lot is the division, and to me, period slash period made sense, so that switches to division. And so it's super easy way. If there's any special characters that you use a ton, and you want a keyboard shortcut for those without having to memorize the numbers, you can just put the symbol in, copy and paste it, go to tools, preferences, make whatever shortcut you want, and then it will replace it with the symbol. So like ones I already have made are like 1/2, 1/3, 1/4. Those ones are pre-made for you because those are in the symbols. And there's different ones in here that you're like, whoa, I didn't know it. Is it that? Like I already put all of the exponents in and stuff like that. So it's super easy and makes my life a little bit faster when I'm trying to type stuff in. So hopefully that was helpful.